10 children in America.
Okay, we are on our way to the cruise ship.
She and Junius were allowed.
Not only that, but they like even.
We are ready?
Beautiful. Is Kenton with you too?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I know. But as long as you're not drinking excessively, I think it still works out cheaper. Where?
We're on the ship. Am I right?
No.
I don't see the bird anymore, which means Mamie probably landed. Bye-bye.
You got stuck. I saw you.
It's got a lot of bling.
Smile.
There's windmills.
Snuggle fight.
Oh, look at that. Don't mind if I do.
little blue stone that we call Larimar. So for us, it's like our Dominican. He's supposed to pull the little.
Found some bugs on there? Hey.
Tiny, tiny, tiny.
Family, thank you very much. Now, everybody,
Hi, darling.
On ahead.
Hi, baby.
together, please.
Trying to steal the gems.
How are you? Hi, darling.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, baby. Oh.
Parkour.
Oh, my goodness.
Venga, tiguelato, venga, tiguelato. Venga, tiguelato, venga, tiguelato. Now, everybody.
Oh, that's my phone.
Ah, good job.
Hi, darling. How you doing?
No, I
There you go.
I know.
Have a seat.
I know. I know.
yes. Now, everybody, you're allowed to pet them, yeah, but don't grab them. If you do, they bite you. Okay? If they bite you, it will be a blip. Okay? So now, guys,
Like your thumbs.
I like
hand.
everybody to keep your hand flat. Okay? Remember, if you have some monkeys on it, hand flat, guys. Hand flat, hand flat. Hey, bro. Hands off, everybody. Hand flat, bro. Both the hand, bro. Both the hand, bro. Both the hand, bro. Both the hand, bro. On the other one, bro. On the other one, bro. Keep it to it like that, bro. Se pató tiguelato, venga. Eso. ¿Cómo? Now everybody, like I told you earlier. Get ready, guys.
Like an apple.
Would you like to have some of this? That's yummy.
He's like, no, I want to eat it from the book.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Precious.
He's like, no, I don't want your finger food.
Oh, I love them.
He likes savories.
Oh my God, I love them.
Be out, they also will be eating as much as they can. They also have to be 3-year-old or older to start having babies. And they can have one baby per year. Just a single baby, no twins. When they grow up, like this kid in here. So this kid in here is 7 months old. Baby can back yours, but baby can choose or pick any female to eat. Because what they do a community. Him. Yeah, you know the way, yeah.
Come on, let's go. You want to come home with me? Come on home with me. Let's go. Okay, so you're not actually allowed to take any of the monkeys home, but I got one anyway.